In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Drive files to a zip file quickly in just 5 minutes. Let's get started with this straightforward process that will help you manage your files more efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive's website by typing in drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in using your Google account credentials. This step is crucial because you need to access your files stored on Google Drive. Once you're logged in and you've reached your Google Drive homepage, it's time to select the files or folders you want to convert into a zip file. Take a moment to decide which files you need to include. If you'd like to select multiple files or folders, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. For those using a Mac, you'll need to hold down the CMD key instead. As you hold this key, click on each file or folder you want to include in your zip file. This method allows you to efficiently select numerous files without any hassle. With your file selected, the next step involves downloading this selection. To do this, right-click on any of the highlighted files. A context menu will appear, and from this menu you need to choose the download option. This simple action is what kicks off the conversion process. Here's what happens next. Google Drive will automatically begin compressing the files you've selected into a zip format. This format is particularly useful because it combines multiple files into a single compressed package that's easy to transfer and store. The zip file format also offers basic data compression, which can reduce the overall size, saving you storage space and making it quicker to download. Now you'll need to wait just a moment for Google Drive to generate your zip file. The duration of this process largely depends on the size and number of files you've selected. Once the system has completed this task, the file will automatically start downloading to your computer. You'll find it in your default download location, which is typically the downloads folder on your computer. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully converted your Google Drive files into a handy zip file. This process is not only efficient, but also ensures that all your files are bundled together neatly, making it easier to share them through email or other file sharing platforms. Remember, this zip file can be easily unzipped when you or someone else needs access to the files inside. If ever you find yourself needing to compress and download your Google Drive files again, just follow these simple steps. It's an invaluable skill that makes managing digital files much more streamlined. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.